I'm gonna start with the potatoes. The potatoes take the longest, so they're going in first. And that's a great tip. When you are making a meal in around 30 minutes, start with the things that take the longest. The potatoes can go into the oven, they're gonna cook, they get really nice and crispy, and it frees up some time to do some other things. The Greeks really took ownership of the lemon potatoes, and boy, did they nail it. So from Greece with love. And what's the perfect potato for a lemon-style Greek roasted potato? It doesn't matter. Whatever you have lying around, any potato goes. I'm using Yukon Golds because that is what I have lying around. And it's a pretty sturdy potato. It takes on a lot of flavor, it cooks up nice, and it's got great color, and they almost look like little lemons. I'm into shapes right now. I'm a little bit of a kid on the inside. I cook for my brother's kids a lot, and they love shapes. So the wedge potato is perfect for this Greek style. Step one, down. So you can't have lemon Greek potatoes without lemon, lots of lemon. Lemon's great. There's a couple of things going on in a lemon, and one of it is the zest. So use it. Use what Mother Nature has given you. The zest is great. It's really fragrant, it's floral, it's almost a milder lemon taste. So if you just put it on a microplane and hit it on the potatoes, they wake up. It's like me going over to the coffee pot in the morning. First sip, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up. Same thing with the potatoes. They are now awake, ready for some action. And use the juice. There's lots of juice in there. And if you ever find that you have kind of a tough lemon, just give it a little grind, put some pressure on it, and it just loosens up the juice. So lots of lemon juice. Yeah, you need lots of lemon, especially the zest. Use the zest, lots of juice. And it is Greek, so there's one herb that I cannot leave out of it, and that's oregano. Fresh oregano is good, but dried oregano is supercharged, so put a lot in. You're gonna love this, I promise. One secret ingredient. This is chicken powder. It's dehydrated chicken stock. And boy, is it exciting. There's a lot of salt in there, a lot of warmth, earth, and unctuousness. It's a great flavor on potato. Next time you make it, try it with that. It'll put a smile on your face. All right, it wouldn't be Greek without a nice glug of olive oil. It's gonna help out with the flavor, and it's gonna kickstart the cooking process and help the potatoes get really nice and golden. So I say potato, you say garlic. Garlic and potatoes are best friends. They need to go into this for flavor. I use a rasp, same as the lemon zest, maximum garlic flavor. And that's it. How simple is that? Potatoes, lemon, olive oil, chicken powder, garlic, perfect. Give it a little toss up. You want it all coated nice and evenly. Beautiful. Get it onto a baking tray. Look at this. All of the peaks and valleys covered in oregano and lemon and garlic. That's how it's done. 350 degrees, put it in the top shelf, get it rolling. I love that. Don't you love when you're making a meal and it's almost time to eat, and you open up the oven and you get such nice smells? The best part about cooking, the glory pot. Look at those potatoes. Putting the olive oil on, not only is there lots of flavor, but you get nice crust from it. And that's the thing about making a meal in 30 minutes. That's why I started with the potatoes first. They take the longest to cook, get them in there, you can kind of forget about them, and they're ready right at the end of the meal. I'm a sucker for potatoes and tzatziki. Put those in front of me, happy boy.